Alright, so now I'm going to try to get the exhaust manifolds off. I sprayed them with some PB Blaster, all the little bolts. Boom, boom, boom. Oh yeah. Come off like butter. Dropping a few things as we go. No biggie, no smalls. Alright, second one. There we go. I know, I'm gonna come play in a minute. Third one. Alright, the third one. And it's coming off like a butter. And the fourth. That's easy too. Sweet. Hopefully the last ones are just as easy. And how that goes, it's always the last one that wants to be a business. Nope, easy. I love it. I was so afraid these were going to be a pain and want to break. That last one wasn't even tight. Holy crap. Probably would have had an exhaust leak at the least on that one. Alright, I'll get those off and see what we got. Another shorty to match the third one. Heat shield. Let's go ahead and get that out of the way. Alright, well, what do you know? It came loose too. So I'll give it a chance and then try to unbolt it all, you know. Somebody might want it. I might want it one day. Go back to original. I don't know. I doubt it. But whatever. All right. There we go. Oh, I guess got us an oxygen sensor in here. Didn't think about that. Alright, so I'll just snip that zip tie off and unplug that for now. Alright, simple as that. Boom, the bitches are heavy. Esse. Órale, vato. Woo! Chunky monkey. Alright, so as you can see, or maybe not from my lighting, but that little smog pump hole goes inside. See that small little hole right there on the bottom? That is the hole that comes through right there. So I told you, we'll play again in a minute, bro. Stop sweating me. Alright, so you see if you stick that screwdriver through there, how it comes up through here, touches the valve there. Alright, so gotta have those, all of those gotta be blocked off. Otherwise you're gonna have an exhaust leak, so make sure you do that. Alright, so now set that there. I'll go ahead and get the passenger side off, which is same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts. And we should have this one out. Hopefully this one will come out as easy as the other side did. I imagine it will, but you never know. So it's an obstacle, so we'll see. My trusty camera guy again, if he doesn't fall down. There we go, put him in there. And throw a bolt across the bottom there, snuggy wuggy it up a little. There we go. That ought to do it just fine. not 9/16, half inch. I must have taken it off and put it somewhere. Oh, sorry, puppy. Sorry, little puppy. I don't mean to step on you. You okay? Alright. Yeah, that's coming off just as easy as the other side. Second side, passenger side is all unbolted. Boom, boom, boom. One's back there. And the world's worst cameraman, lighting man, whatever you want to call me. They're all done. We'll go down underneath and see if we can get it unbolted. Alright, so now I got to get these two bolts off right here. Alright. There you go, Pesci. They're out, baby. What a mess under here. Alright, so got the exhaust all dropped. See there. Catalytic converter here. And doesn't look like that muffler was doing too good. Holy shit. It just snatched right out from the inside. And it got all these coat hangers holding it up. So you know how nice of a system that was. Look at that. What a hunk of shit. It just pulled right out. Look at that. Pesci, can you believe that? Dude. Hello. That muffler is no good. I never had one come out like that. That's incredible. Alright, so we'll get all these coat hangers out of here. And we'll get the rest of the back exhaust out of there. Take those two bracket bolts off over there. Right here and right here.